Hello viewers, today we are going to see the introduction of the CAD CAM CAE. So CAD it is nothing but the computer aided designing, CAM it is nothing but the computer aided manufacturing, and CAE that is a computer aided engineering. Myself Mr. SP Udgave, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering, EDRAO. So first, learning objective to know the importance of the digital tool involved in product design, to understand about the CAD CAM CE package that is related with the drafting, design, manufacturing and engineering. Learning objectives, students should be able to explain the CAD CAM CE tool usages, and students should be able to aware about the schematic product creation using digital tool. Digital tool for product design, that is a 3D visualization, reduce the product development time and more storage requirements. Complex design files we can create, and that is a store easily, and we can develop continuously in our design files. Next is the simulation data for the digital optimization. So old files we can generate and we can take the simulation for the new development. Design and estimation information that is shared between the different departments. And the part and assembly files, so different parts are created and we can create the assembly with the same file. We do not require to generate the separate file. Data created on the plant floor and gives the alternative solutions. CAD CAM CAE package, that is a at present CAD CAM CAE development focused on efficient and fast integration. There are numerous CAD CAM CAE packages available for direct users and that are user friendly, very proficient. First, that is the AutoCAD, Fusion 360, Solid Edge and SolidWorks are some easy to use software. Unigraphics, ProE, CATIA, Ideas are the higher order modeling and designing software that are costlier but more efficient. The other capabilities of this software are manufacturing and analysis. We can use for the manufacturing analysis as well as 3D modeling. Unigraphics, ProE, CATIA, Ideas, ANSYS, Aqua, Nastran, and the Fluent and CFX are the packages mainly used for analysis of structure and fluids. In different softwares are used for different purpose as per their requirements. Albiri, Fusion 360, CyberCut and Colab CAD are software which are focusing on collaborative design, and collaborative design is the computer aided designing for multiple users working at the same time. Computer aided design CAD is the technology concerned with the using computer system to assist the creation, modification, analysis and optimization of design. The most basic role of the CAD is to define the geometry of design, a mechanical assembly and architectural structure, and electronic circuit, a building layout. The greatest benefit of the CAD system are that they can consider considerable time and reduce the error caused otherwise having redefined the geometry of the design from the scratch every time it is needed. Computer aided manufacturing CAM. CAM technology involves computer systems that plan, manage and control the manufacturing operations through computer interface with the plant's production resources. One of the most important areas of the CAM is the numerical control (NC). This is the technique of using the programmed instructions to control a machine tool that cuts, mills, grinds and punches or turns the raw stock into the finished part. Another significant of the CAM, that is a function, is in the programming of robots. Process planning is also target of the computer automation. Computer aided engineering, that is a CAE technology, uses a computer system to analyze the functions of CAD created the products, allowing the designers to simulate and study how the product will behave so that design can be refined and optimized. CAE tools are available for number of different types of analysis. For example, kinematic analysis programs to determine the motion path and linkage velocity in mechanisms. Dynamic analysis programs can be used to determine the load and displacement in complex assemblies such as automobiles. One of the most popular method that is a analysis is using that is a finite element method, FEM. This approach can be used to determine the stress, deformation, heat transfer, magnetic field distribution, fluid flow, and the other continuous field problems that are often too tough to solve with any other approach. Now you can see the CAD CAM CAE development. The figure shows the design need and design specification entry. So the CAD CAM and CE collaboration, we can manufacture the product. At present, CAD CAM CE development, that is a focused CAD CAM CE development focused on efficient and fast integration and automation of various elements of design and manufacturing, along with the development of new algorithms. So first CAD and CAE. So design need and the design specification and feasibility with the collecting design information. It is collected, that is design conceptualization. Then after that, that is a goes to the analysis model and design analysis optimization, design evolution, and design documentation. That is a computer aided design and computer aided engineering we can done. Initially, that is a synthesis or analysis is done in design process, and then that is a computer aided manufacturing. After the that is a prototype and finalization of the product, we can go for the process planning, and in that, so numbers of steps we can complete to manufacture the component, that is a product planning and the design and the procurement of the new tools, order material, numerical control, DNC, CNC programming, and then production is start actual on the shop floor, and we can control the quality and packaging, and we can dispatch the component or the product, or we can launch the product inside the market. So this is the CAD CAM CE development slide. The review of CAD package, that is a modeling, it is a typically includes a set of activities, that is a defining objective or objects, and that is a defining the relation between the objects, properties of object, the orientation of the object in suitable or coordinate system, and modification of existing and editing. Review of the CAM package, that is a computer-aided manufacturing software, is the tool programming that use the numerical control NC to create the detailed instruction G code that drives the CNC machine. CAM software, that is streamlines the machining process and the automates actions like the drilling and cutting, which makes it ideal for the high quality manufacturing. We can generate the codes for the manufacturing for the product. So prototype, by using the prototype or 3D model, we can generate the programming, and that can be run on the machine for the initial run, and we can review the CAM. So this is the example of the one of the product. So this shows the program it is generated for the prototype, and after successfully completion of program, we can use that for production. Since simulating, that is a review of the computer aided engineering, simulating the reality is less time consuming. That is a computer aided engineering, that is a process save on time and money. CAE reduces the errors in design and drawing process. The impacts of changing parameters on system can be studied with more accuracy. Robustness and the performance components and the assemblies can be analyzed. Computer aided engineering allows for the easy visualization and improves the designs. And finally, that is easy to manufacture. So these are the glimpse that is shown for the computer aided engineering. We can simulate, we can analyze by using the CAE package. Review of rendering, creating photo that is a realistic model attractive to the customer before manufacturing. That is a glimpse shows the watch rendering. Application in mechanical design, numbers of components we can manufacture and their applications. Application in visual reality, that is the architectural design. The internal and external appearance we can view or visualize in this. Application in stress analysis, we can use the CAE for analysis of the mechanical components. Workspace and sequence simulation, the accessibility test you can check through the CAE. So these are the some applications that is a product designed and developed. Thank you. Stay connected for the next videos.